In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add website or social media link on LinkedIn. So you can also add any link to this profile. So currently I have 1000 plus followers on LinkedIn. So I want to add a website link. So now I need to click on these three dot, and otherwise you can click on contact info. Then at the last moment you can see edit contact info. Now again click on the scroll down, then you can see this is a website. Then click on website. Then here are type your website address like abc.com. And if you want to add Facebook link, you can copy your Facebook link, then paste here. That's it. So here are type website, here are right website type, blog, company, others, personal, portfolio. And if you want to add a social media link, you can't, I recommend it for use personal. So if you want to use your LinkedIn to business purpose, you can add company as unit. So now click on save. Your work are done. So if I again going on this contact info, then you can see this is all the website link abc.com already added. So this is the method how you can add website or any link on LinkedIn. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.